as you know, with coaching, like you can tell all the people everything in the world, but unless they actually do the stuff, they don't get results. So I created this thing called WinningStreak, which is that purple little app down there. And we created it for coaches, course creators, and we found that sales teams also love it. And the way that it works is we don't actually sell it through the app store. Anybody can go and download it for free. The way that it works is that we license it to coaches, course creators, and sales teams, and then they create little programs, and then they send the program code to the end user. And so that way we avoid the Apple fees, but then also what we do is we just license it directly to the coach or course creator. So right now you see like a couple of the programs that I have there. The effortless discipline one is interesting because we sold it as an upsell with one of our courses. The green one at the top there, I give away to my coaching clients, but you can also monetize it. So like if somebody had a workout program and was using the app with their clients, they could, if they were charging $500 a month, they could give it to those folks. But if they were selling a $39 ebook or video course, they could then upsell it or use it as an order bump. And that way, charge $5 a month or $20 one-time fee for the thing. So once we license it to somebody, they can monetize it however they want. And then the way that it works is every single day, these questions show up, these questions that are around the basic foundational fundamental success habits of the program. Like, did you get up on time? You spend 90 minutes selling, you delegate, eliminate a task, you have a positive attitude, you get to bed on time. Listen, Joe, if you do those 5 things, you're going to be successful, and I'm going to hold you accountable to it. And then we also have one-on-one messenger in here, just like you would see with WhatsApp or Instagram, so that the coach or the course creator can go back and forth. This is actually just me having a conversation with myself.
Yeah,
But you
I
can
can see
see
that.
yeah, you can see how it works from that side. And then, so that's basically the consumer facing side of things. They can be in multiple programs. The programs are usually 21 or 30 days. And so when they finish, they can go through it again, or their coach might have a different level of program for them. So that's it on that side. Oh, actually, one more thing is that it shows your success on, like, so how you doing with waking up on time and doing the 60 minutes in the morning and that sort of stuff. Now, on the flip side, we'll go over and take a look at how it looks for the coach, so that they're able to go in and check in on all their students. So this is our website here. You click sign in the top, and now you go into the back end where all the programs are. And I can go into the back end where all the programs are, and I can take a look at all of my students' reports for that day. So here's my client, Daniel Schreiber. He lives over in Taiwan. He runs a fitness app. I can go in, man, he crushed it. So I can click on send message in the right and go in here and, just say, crushed it again today. Great work. And so I have my messenger with all the conversations I have going on the left-hand side here. And with the effortless discipline, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, now that people are coming in here, this again, they paid $17 as an upsell to a $300 course for the accountability. I can go in, see Rune, he struggled on something. I said, hey, Rune, great start. Let's hit less social media today. So he's like, oh wow, Craig, Craig's messaging me, and I can ascend some of these folks into a higher level coaching program. And the last thing that we have is that we're also able to send out kind of like broadcasts through this. So we have some people with a couple thousand customers, but their email deliverability is down. But now they can send what's called a push notification to everybody who's using the app, and the deliverability is 100% and the open rate is 90% plus, so that they can go and either send a link to a new program or a link to do something or just a message or whatever it is. And then it's super easy to set these programs up. Like I could set it up JMax's program, set it up for either every day or just Monday through Friday or Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Choose a duration down there, 21-day habit change. We'll have it show up at 3 o'clock. And then we just add a couple questions down here. So that's it, man. This simple productivity and accountability program that I've always been looking for. I finally was able to build it out.